Let's learn construction work equipment info for kids. Bobcat, a multi-purpose construction wheel akin to a smaller version of a front-end loader or a backhoe loader with a one-man caged. Dump truck, a dump truck known also as a dumping truck, dumping trail, dumper trailer, dump lorry or dumper lorry or a dumper for short, is used for transporting material for construction. Backhoe, also called rear actor or back actor, is a type of excavating equipment or digger consisting of a digging bucket on the end of two parts. Tower crane. It is called a tower crane because of the large tower-like structure the crane pivots around. Concrete mixture. A concrete mixture is a device that homogeneously combines cement, aggregate such as sand or gravel, and water to form concrete. Bulldozer. A bulldozer or dozer is a large motorized machine equipped with a metal blade to the front for pushing material. Bulldozer. Forklift. A forklift is a powered industrial truck used to lift and move materials over short distances. Forklift. Roller. A road roller is a compactor type engineering vehicle used to compact soil, gravel, concrete, asphalt in the construction of roads and foundations. Crane. It is mainly used for lifting heavy objects and transporting them to other places. Crane. Please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching our videos.